too.
That's where the computer stays when you'll get a video. It's on now. You can say whatever.
Hello, YouTube.
It's just getting your computer.
Oh! So, this is me trying to beat this with the gravity coil, which is pretty difficult, but I wouldn't say it's all difficult. Regular mode is more difficult, so if you want to try regular mode, you can watch me next time I make a video, because this time I'm not going to use, I'm not going to use the gravity coil next time, because this one's probably going to take too long. Yeah. So, oh jeez, oh jeez, oh jeez, and I died. So yeah. And we're gonna go like this. This is level 12, just to let you know. I already started half of it. So yeah, and the sound effect is awesome, but in this one I don't like it, but later on in the video it's going to get pretty awesome. Okay, so, and we still got more levels to go, so you get 75 levels, and you want to play this game and get a gravity coil, yeah, you can do it. Okay, so I'm gonna go over here on the castle level. Okay, this is level 13. This music is weird. Then I'm gonna get that away. Okay. Ooh, level 14 looks interesting. 14 is really interesting. Oh jeez. That scared me. Okay, so I'm just gonna skip a few of these. Oh geez, gotta get there. Yes, gonna do that. See, half of that I just bridge on level 15. Oh geez. Okay, so I'm gonna do this. Level 6? No, is it 16? I forgot. I don't give a crap now. Oh, geez. Oh, yeah, I already got that card. I think this is level 16. So next we're gonna teleport. Boom. Teleporting. There, now I'm on level 17. Get that me. So if you want to try this game, it's speedrun 4. So yeah, y'all might get the idea of this game, but oh jeez, oh yeah, lucky. No, not, no, not. Oh yeah, son. Oh no. Dang it. Thought I could do it. I thought I could do it. Okay, so we're gonna get right there. That's where I was aiming for. Get on top of this pyramid. Okay, so the sound effect's about to be awesome in a minute. Oh dang, I'm up here. No, it's supposed to be up there. Okay, so. So yeah. Oh dang. So yeah, the really snowy thing just has weird music added. Oh dang. Okay. This is weird. Yeah. Oh dang. Oh dang. Volcanoes. Wait, but I thought I already did this one. Nah, who gives a crap? No, really, who does give a crap? Still gonna beat the game no matter what. Oh dang. No. Oh dang. Oh yeah, son. Can't beat that skill. Oh, but this level can. I do not have any skill on this. No skill on this level. It's just plain old me on this level. Because I am bad as heck. Told ya. Goodbye, world. So, still getting the video. And, well, I'm going to jump on one of these. Jeez. New idea. Never jump on one of those. They get you killed. It's a new idea for y'all. So don't jump on them, but just leave them around you. But I think that's a good idea. And that's awesome. See, they're invisible. So mean. So evil. Here, I'm just gonna... Oh no. Oh jeez. Oh yes. Really? The money level? You're kidding me. I hate the candy level the most. Whoa. Yeah, I already got that. So, the money level is kind of boring because of this dumb music. I mostly did all these in my first try. And if I died once, that's because I was being an idiot. I'm thinking that something was going to do something and stuff. I am a beast! Oh crap, oh crap, oh dang, beast. No! Okay, so yeah, that. Oh, get right there. Oh, son. Oh, beast. No! Oh dang, I forgot to get my gravity coil out. Okay. Bam. Oh. Bam. Yeah, sure.